This is Neer Chutney served with idlis. Neer Chutney translates to water chutney and is so named due to its runny consistency. This chutney is also called hotel style Neer Chutney, as this is commonly served in restaurants and small eateries across South India. This pairs well with idli, dosa, medu vada and even upma. So let us have a look at the recipe. Firstly, we will dry roast 3 tablespoons of peanuts. Roast the peanuts till it starts giving out a nice aroma. Keep the peanuts aside. Now in the same pan, add a teaspoon of oil. Add 3 chopped green chilies, 3 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger. Saute this for few seconds. Keep this aside. In a mixer jar, add half cup of fresh grated coconut, 3 tablespoons of peanuts, 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal, roasted chili, ginger and garlic, half cup of fresh coriander leaves, a small piece of tamarind, salt as per taste and water. Initially I am adding half a cup of water and will add water gradually while grinding. The chutney has a runny consistency. Rinse the mixer jar and add that water also. Look at the consistency of the chutney. It is not thick and it is not very thin also. For the tempering, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 dry red chili and few curry leaves. When the ingredients start sizzling, we'll pour the tempering into the chutney. Neer chutney is ready to be served. If you like the recipe, do appreciate it by hitting the like button and by subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.